welcome back to my channel. So I have another video for you guys, and I just want to say that these nail tips I'm not a fan of, but a lot of you guys have been saying that you're not a fan of the curve nail tips, so I kind of just wanted to switch it up a little bit. These nail tips I actually purchased a little while ago from Amazon, and they're not curved, they're straight. A lot of you guys know that I don't use nail forms, so you guys were saying that I can find nail tips like this on Amazon, so that's what I did, so that way I can give you guys some straight nails instead of curve. And I'm just showing you what I did. I just cut the little oval part because it just gives that little gap, but if I do it that way it doesn't. So that's just a quick tip on what I did. And yeah, so right now I'm just going to be showing you how I do polygel milky nails at home. I didn't go to work today, so I just did it at the comfort of my home, and it's super easy. With this design, it's easy to do because there's no smell and all you need is an LED lamp. And this kit literally came with everything. It came with the primer, it came with the base, it came with the top coat nail forms, it even came with dual forms, but I had took them out because I was looking at them. I kind of want to do a video on that and see how they work, so I was doing that, so don't mind me. I'm sorry I didn't put it back in the kit to show you guys, but it did come with pink, dark pink, white, and clear. It's super affordable. It's about like $30 or $35, and you get multiple sets out of them. And the only thing that I like about polygel is that you can literally take your time with it because it doesn't run, one, and it doesn't dry until you put it in the LED lamp. So you literally could work with it until you get it down packed. So I think I want to do like a series of polygel, because you can do these at home for super cheap and super affordable. And not only that, it's super easy to do, like super easy. So right here I'm just adding the primer. I didn't show the bottle, but I did add the primer, and then here I'm adding the base. Well, no. In the next one I'm adding the base coat to it. And sorry about the lighting, but like I said, I was recording at home, so it was going in and out because the sun was coming up and then the sun was going away, so it was like yellow and then white. And yeah, it was just, the lighting was just all over the place. But I did want to show you guys that you can do these at home. Polygel is super easy to work with. If you want, I can go into depth about polygel. I wasn't a fan of it before, but I love it now, and it's as strong as acrylic, so it's super great. And then right here is just regular glitters that I get from Michael's, my local supply store, just different places that you can find anywhere. Right here I'm just showing you that I'm mixing up to make the milky color, so I'm mixing up the clear with the white. I only put a little bit of white and put the rest clear, and I'm just finding my consistency of what I like. And yeah, so it's super easy. You could do different designs with polygel. You can encapsulate with polygel, which I did today. You can do a whole bunch of things, and like I said, and I keep saying, it is the easiest thing that you can do, especially if you just want to do your nails at home and not go to a salon because you're just tired of the salons and you just want it your way. This is the easiest thing that I can do and mention to you guys, because you literally just can take your time with your full set, even if it takes you 3 hours. But guess what? You did it right, you did it how you wanted, and you did it to your perfection. So yeah, that liquid is just the liquid that you use to move around the polygel and stuff, and then the brush and everything is from this kit, and I will link this kit down below, and there's also a discount code for this kit down below. So yeah, let's see what else. Right here I'm just adding a base of white. I was gonna do all white nails because you guys know I am a fan of all white nails. I love white nails. So I was gonna, like I was saying, I was gonna do all white nails, but I ended up wanting to do like the milky effect and encapsulating some glitter in between. It didn't show completely, which I loved because I wanted something subtle. I am going to be wearing these for a couple of days. I'm going to be wearing them up until Tuesday. This video was recorded on Saturday, and Tuesday will be another video of a nail kit that I found. So all my at-home series, they're coming out. I promise. I have videos for you guys, but this is one of them, and it's super easy. Plus it's including a design that you can do at home. And yeah, so this whole set in reality costed about, the kit was $36, and then the actual lamp that I used is SunUv from Amazon, and that was about, I think they're about like $26-$30. But think about it, you can use this over and over and over again. So this is super affordable, and you can definitely use it over and over again. So that's just things that I'm just trying to find for you guys that'll be super easy also. And this kit comes with everything, and not only that, you can take your time. And I know a lot of you guys were saying that you want to start doing your nails at home, but you don't know where to start or how to begin, and this kit does come in handy. Or like I said, the other videos that I was showing you, the kiss kits, the dipping kiss kits, I will link those videos down below. Also, if you guys haven't checked them out yet, you will love those videos. And everything is super easy. And these nail tips, I got them off of Amazon too, but these kits also come with nail forms, dual forms, and you could just go to the dollar store and purchase nail tips. It's all up to you. You just got to get creative with how you use stuff. I will be having a video on your essentials of acrylics. Like I said, the videos lighting goes in and out. Yeah. Bear with me. But yeah, so I just want to bring out videos like this because a lot of you guys are saying that you want to start doing nails, but you don't know where to start at and stuff like that. So this is one kit for the poly gel. I'm gonna go into the acrylics next, so stay tuned for that. And then I'm gonna go into gels. A lot of you guys like gel because a lot of you guys are from like overseas and stuff like that. And I'm gonna go into gel, and I'm gonna go into like a whole bunch of other things that you can use to do your nails at home, whether you are natural, whether you like short nails, long nails. My channel is not only going to be about long nails. I love long nails, so that's what I gravitate for and like towards, but definitely stay tuned because I have so many different things that are coming out. But my how-to videos, definitely look at those because I do give more into depth about how to do things and what you need and things like that. Really quick though, I do want to mention one quick disclaimer. When you guys buy these kits, and I'm talking about whether it's this one, whether it's the kiss, whether it's the one that I put on Tuesday, because I have a kit coming out on Tuesday of the beauty supply, Sally's Beauty Supplies nail kits. Somebody did mention that they can't buy those kits because they are under the age of 13. I've never heard of that. I've always thought that you can go to Sally's and just buy the nail kits that they have there. So please, if I'm putting out false information that I don't know about, can you please just let me know in the comments down below. I've always thought, because I bought them when I was young, so I'm not really sure about that unless you live in a different state or maybe a country that I don't know about. But in my state, I never heard of that, and I've always bought them, so I don't know, even when I wasn't licensed. So I really I'm a little unsure about that. But if you do know about that, please comment down below and let me know. But I do want to put a disclaimer out that if you buy any of those kits and it doesn't come out exactly like how it's coming out in my videos, please remember that you do have to practice. This is not going to happen overnight. You definitely do have to practice, and over time you will get it. It didn't take me a day to do nails. I've been doing nails for about 6 years now. So yeah, you have to practice. A lot of you guys were saying, it's not coming out like how yours looks, and sending me pictures on Instagram and stuff. And I love the love. Trust me, I do. But then there's some that are like, they're not coming out like yours, and I want to know why. And it just takes practice and a lot of time So just keep practicing, stay patient, and it will happen. I promise. Like, you will get it. It just takes time. So I know a lot of you guys are going to ask me, why do I have one coffin? And this is just a design that I was kind of going for. I just wanted one. Normally I would do the pinky, but I was like, you know what? Today I'm going to do the middle finger because I'm just feeling saucy. But yeah, so like I was saying, everything will be linked down below in the description box. I hope you guys check it out. And I also want to put out there that I am not a pro at polygel. I am literally an acrylic girl and gel. I love gel. And I'm talking about the runny gel, not polygel, the runny one. The one that slides everywhere that nobody likes. I'm talking about that one. And I just love those two. Those are the two things that I normally gravitate towards. So I'm just now getting into polygel and dipping and all this other crazy things that they're coming out with. So just like you're learning, I'm learning. And just like I'm learning new things, I'm putting it out there for you guys so you guys can watch and see and get advice and tips and tricks of new things. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this capsulated video. And as you guys can see, the sun was literally like trying to come through. Like, he was trying to say hi. He, she, it was trying to say hi. It was like, hey sis, but no. Yeah, so the lighting is not there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and everything will be linked down below, including the lamp and the kit and these nail tips. I'm also going to put in the Eden nail tips. I know I didn't put them in the last time, but I'm going to put them in this time. And I'm going to see if I can find other nail tips for you guys that are super cheap. If not, check out your local dollar store or your supply store, your nail supply store, Sally's. Check out those stores because they definitely have nail tips. I know you guys are trying to find like super affordable things. So I'm definitely trying to help y'all out because the nail industry can be very expensive. And going to go get a set done, I know that I charge a lot of money for nails. Sometimes I can charge from $65 all the way up to $150 to $200 for a set of nails. So I do understand that. And yeah, so everything will be linked down below in the description box. Also, as you guys know, I always use what comes in the kit. So I did file and buff my nails with what was in the kit. It was horrible. Not gonna sit here and lie. Definitely go out and buy a nail file or a buffer. Not saying that the products in the kit was bad, but just the nail file and the buffer it came with, I'm not a fan of. And you guys know that I'm gonna give my honest opinion. Those nail files and that buffer we weren't at one. To me, the nails still looked a little bit weird, but it also could have been the tips because I hate straight tips. You guys want to see it, but I hate working with straight tips. I love curved nails. They're just my go-to. They're just my favorite. I feel like they're more natural. But a lot of you guys wanted to see straight tips, and I give you what you want. But I also did not like that file and that buffer that came in. And I was all out of frame and all wonky because it just wasn't working with me. And yeah, so I didn't put that in the video because I literally was not in the frame. I was in the frame for like a half a second and not even. And the video was like 10 minutes long because it took me forever to file. And it's not because I didn't know how. It was more because of the nail file that it came with, the kit came with. It was a little flimsy, and then the buffer was just too much. And I would just say invest in a nail file and a buffer, or if you are confident enough, I would say invest in a drill. But you guys know that I love to use everything that's in the kit, as you guys seen in my previous videos. But thank God that when I do apply my product on, I apply it very smoothly so I don't have to do so much filing. The reason why I did so much filing today, and I was so frustrated because the file was so flimsy. Like it didn't work. It just didn't work. You don't know how bad I wanted to just go and use the drill. And I was like, you know what? No. And then I wanted to show you guys that I'm using it. So I wanted to put it in the video, but I couldn't even do that because I was out of frame. trying to figure out how to use the file, and it was like in front of my face. It was just a lot, but I would definitely invest in a nail file. That was my biggest thing about this kit. I did not like the nail file. Other than that, everything else was perfectly fine. It dried the way that it was supposed to. This is my second day having them, and none of them have broke, so I'm still testing it out. But on Tuesday, when that video goes up, I will let you guys know how this kit lasted. I do take these off, and I'm thinking on Tuesday I'm going to actually do my right hand, because a lot of you guys were saying, how do I do my other hand? Do I know how to do my other hand? And yes, I do. I will be showing you that in maybe Tuesday's video when I do that kit. So I will be showing you guys that. And yeah, this was super easy. Like I said, it doesn't dry until you put it in the lamp. So as you guys can see, I'm getting that nice shape and stuff. I definitely don't like that they don't curve, but a lot of you guys wanted to see these straight nails, and you got it. They came out nice. They came out beautiful. They came out glittery and like iridescent and like all cute and stuff, but I just didn't like how straight they were. And I didn't like the lighting in this video, but I wanted to show you guys that you can do it at home in the comfort of your own home. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the actual clear, milky clear that I made, which was super easy. It only took me like 1 minute to make. Not even like 2 minutes, I'm lying. Like 2 minutes to make, and it came out super cute. It's like if you were to do frosty white acrylic, but I know a lot of you guys don't use acrylics and you guys are using polygel, so there it is. Boom. You can also add gel, like gel polish, add a little drop of that and mix it in the clear polygel, and you got jelly nails. Boom. I should do a video on that too. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything will be linked down below in the description box. I have nothing else to say. The video is almost done. Like I said about the filing, it was already thrown out. I just couldn't do it. That nail file literally had me. It was worse than the Kiss kit nail file. Not gonna front with you guys. Like, you guys know I keep it 100. I keep it G with y'all, and that nail file was ridiculous. And not only that, that lighting was trying to play me, so I was like not having it. And also, let's see, when I went to go put the top coat, you're gonna see that the sun was just trying to pop in like, hey sis, how you doing? Come through. And I was not trying to have it, but I did put top coat on. And yeah, I showed you guys in the beginning and the end how the nails came out, how they're straight and everything like that. I wanted to show you guys so you guys can see that I'm trying to put out more things that you guys would like to see. And yeah, so I hope you guys, like I said, enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get to know when I upload. Also hit that notification button so you can get notified when I upload. And yeah, come be part of the family. Come support your girl. Come talk to me. Leave me comments. Like my stuff. Go on Instagram. Go on Facebook, because I be on Facebook. I be posting on Instagram. And come find me and let's hang out and let's talk. Like always. Okay, sis? So come check me out and we could communicate. And also, a lot of you guys be sending me y'all pictures. I be posting on my Instagram. So I would like to share you guys' stuff on Instagram also. So if you follow me on there and you have pictures that you want to send me of nails that you've done and stuff like that, please send it to me so I can post it on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you guys so much for watching.